Hi, my name's Sarah Hicklin and I'm Director of Admissions here at Oswestry School. I've got over 35 years experience in private education, yes 35 years, and today I'm going to share some of those experiences with you. You've sent your child to a UK boarding school for academic excellence. So why is your brilliant daughter spending 3 afternoons a week on the netball court? And why is your son, who should be focusing on his A-levels, rehearsing for the school play? As Nigerian parents, you're facing a fundamental shift in how success is defined. Let me explain why supporting your child's involvement in sports and arts isn't a distraction from their education. It's essential to it. In Nigeria, children are taught, focus on your books, everything else is secondary. This approach works, however, UK education operates on a different philosophy. Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial College, they don't just want academic brilliance. They want leaders, innovators, team players. Your child's grades might get them noticed, but their leadership on the football team or their starring role in the school play gets them admitted. The data is clear. Students with strong co-curricular profiles have significantly higher university acceptance rates than those with only academic achievements. Will students with packed schedules become masters of time management? They learn to study smarter, not just harder. They develop skills that will serve them throughout university and their careers. You're paying at least £45,000 per year for your child's education. Are you getting full value if they only attend classes and then stay in their room studying? That fee includes world-class sports facilities, professional coaching, theatre productions, music studios, art workshops. Your child has access to opportunities that cost thousands of pounds elsewhere. Your child is learning from highly qualified coaches, professional musicians, and accomplished artists. These connections and skills are what you're paying for. Think about your own career. What skills matter most? Communication, leadership, working under pressure, motivating others. These aren't learned in textbooks. They're developed on sports fields and in drama studios. The Nigerian students who become CEOs, senior consultants and global leaders aren't just those who got the highest grades. They're those who learn to captain teams, perform under pressure, and inspire others. So how do you support this balance? First, show genuine interest in their activities. Ask about their teammates, their coach, their latest performance. Don't just ask about grades. Stay informed about your child's activities. Read the school newsletters, understand the house system, learn about their competitions and performances. Have honest conversations about time management. Help them prioritise, but trust their judgment. They're learning skills you never had to develop at their age. The Nigerian students who thrive in UK universities aren't just academically prepared. They're socially confident, culturally adaptable, and natural leaders. They become the Nigerian professionals who can work anywhere in the world, who can lead diverse teams, who can represent Nigeria with pride in international settings. Your child will return to Nigeria or succeed anywhere in the world with more than just a degree. They'll have confidence, leadership skills, and a global perspective that makes them invaluable in any field. Practical next steps. Here's what you can do today. Contact your child's housemaster or tutor. Ask about co-curricular opportunities. Express your support for balanced development. Research university admission requirements for your child's target courses. You'll see that top universities explicitly value leadership, teamwork, and creative thinking. You didn't send your child to the UK just for better grades. You sent them to become global citizens, confident leaders, and skilled professionals who can succeed anywhere. That rugby captain who maintains A-level excellence, that lead actress who also excels in chemistry, that pianist who leads the debate team. These are the Nigerian students who change the world. Remember, you're not just raising a student, you're raising a leader. Give them every opportunity to grow.